How to attract a woman without saying a word, that's what we're going to cover in today's video. And I'm going to give you some important tips to help you attract women. Okay, let's get into it. Make some adjustments in public. You looked at her, she looked at you. She made the first move and is coming straight at you. What do? It's time to indulge in your vanity just a little and make a couple of final adjustments to your appearance. This can mean running your hand through your hair, adjusting your collar, or fixing your tie. Some quick fixes to yourself and your outfit will tell her you're interested. Little things like this show the lady in question that not only do you care about your looks but that you care about looking your best for her. It's a strong indicator of mutual attraction, and it's bound to get the conversation off to a strong start. Just don't overdo it. If you spend eons checking yourself, she's going to cross another weirdo off her list. Now you can lick and touch your lips. When it comes to how to attract women in a subtle way, this tip is king. While you're conversing with her and you feel like you're vibing well, briefly touch your lips. This can be a soft tap or a short glide of your fingers. This draws attention to your mouth, and if she's interested, this can invoke images of kissing you, enticing her further to be attracted to you. Again, you need to remember to do this sparingly. Don't go rubbing your lips too much. You only need to do this a little. Try to take up more space. When you think of domination in the animal kingdom, what do you see? A lion's mane, a bear standing on its hind legs, a gorilla puffing and beating his chest. What do these all have in common? Space. Animals will always try to make themselves appear much larger than normal in order to subjugate other males and impress mates. To some degree, this applies to us as well. What are some good ways you can take up space? You can spread your legs apart a little. If the seat next to you is empty, put your arm around it. Power and status are established by manipulating your space, gents, remember that. The more you do things like this, the more women will start to notice you. Do you want to improve your dating success with women? So if you want to know what to do, and actually have the skills and ability to attract women and get results. If you really want to experience better results with women, go and click the link in the description box below the video now and check out the website. The website link is on your screen now. I recommend you specifically look at the Attraction to Seduction program, which you can do anywhere in the world. You can find this program on the products section on the website. All you need to do is click the link in the description box below the video now. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. If you need more help with dating and you want to learn more about how to attract women and improve your dating success, then there are links in the description box below the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.